Making stickers are hobbies I do whenever I want to recharge my spirit and be away from the world's stresses. It is my passion ever since. Though my full-time work schedules sometimes leave no room for creativity and making arts, I always try my best to be productive on both, allowing myself to occasionally pause and rest. Today, I will show you how I make my stickers, so please relax, be cozy, and enjoy the whole video. This is Sassy, and her sister that I named Witty. They're art characters I drew when I was still living in my company dorm. Back then, I could not afford fancy art materials, so I borrowed items from my work office such as the black and red markers. But I saved money and now can afford more art materials. I reverenced Sassy for my childhood stuffed toy. I named her Rose. I received her as an exchange gift during our school classroom Christmas party. She was a cute and brown stuffed rabbit with long ears and hugs a huge orange carrot. It's kinda silly, but as a child, I used to hug and sleep with her, and even cover her with my bed sheet. I want to give Sassy a fresh look, cheeky vibe, and be this kawaii sticker, so I chose her to be pink. As I have shown in the previous video, I captured my design with my tablet and traced it in IBIS Paint. I have been using Xiaomi Pad SE in making sticker and digital art designs for a year now. I also edit my videos here using a free video editing app called CapCut. The brushes I used were Pointillism 2, Love Pen, Watercolor Mix 2, and Airbrush Trapezoid 20%. I basically use these 4 brushes in my other digital drawing because they are easy to use and free. I printed a color palette combinations chart as reference in deciding which colors match better. This saved me a lot of time and made my arts a lot more appealing. I believe every beginner artist in their art journeys need to have a color palette chart. This will significantly reduce the stress and anxiety of thinking which colors are better together for your designs. Hello guys, it's currently 11:34 p.m. I still have work tomorrow, so I guess I'll have to take my rest for tonight. Let's call it a day and continue tomorrow. Good night! I also love attending cosplay events and merchant alleys, but this year I focused more on honing my skills in digital art, sketching, and creation. I admire most the merchant booths and art sellers in anime conventions. I told myself that someday I will be participating as an artist selling my original handmade crafts. I was so impressed by how these artists create kawaii and amazing stickers, notepads, and even illustration books that so many people, including me, loves. I uploaded my design in Silhouette Studio and made a print test first in plain paper before using the actual sticker paper. I do this to make sure that my printer ink is in good condition and to see the actual size of the sticker before cutting. I readjusted the designs, then made another print test. I used glossy sticker paper to produce vibrant colors for my stickers. I always adjust my printer settings that fits the printing requirements of the type of sticker paper that I use. For this glossy paper, I set my paper and color quality preferences into photo paper glossy for paper type and standard for the color quality respectively before printing. I use Epson L3110 printer. It's an inkjet printer and cheap. I have been using this printer in making my notepads as well. The colors appear clean and does not bleed. I laminate my stickers to give extra scratch protection. I chose the brand Yasen Glitter laminating film in all of my stickers. I love the glitter effects it gives. Also, I bought this online from Shopee and it's cheap. I will put the links of the materials I use below so you can check them out. Aside from practicing my art skills, I also try to improve my video editing skills and upload my arts in social media, especially YouTube, hoping that I could grow my channel while pursuing this art journey on the side. Because I am a full-time 8 to 5 employee working from Monday to Saturday, pursuing this path is a challenge, but I have been kept motivated by other artists in this platform to believe and pursue my dreams. If they can do it, so can I, and so can you as well. In the earlier video I shared what inspired me to make Sassy, so now let me share to you the inspiration behind Witty and this new character I am making. Witty is blue because it's my mom's favorite color. As her name implies, Witty is someone who has a quick inventive humor, like my mom. Whenever we are together, we always find pleasure and fun and laughter in the simple things we often talk about. We are each other's therapy. You can say that Witty relates with my mom. Whenever I print my stickers using Portrait 3, the uncut stickers sheet hangs. And to aid this problem, I used my ruler as a guide to prevent the uncut sheet from hanging. With limited space in my bedroom, I have to maximize the spaces available so I could make arts more comfortable and efficient. I chose purple for my new character because I wanted her to look sophisticated, classy, and more mature. I chose her to be the oldest sister of Sassy and Witty, forever guiding them through this roller coaster of life. My stickers are not just designs I have made that the idea of their creation simply popped out in my messy brain. I wanted them to resonate with me and the things around me. I hoped for my art to inspire, resonate, and connect with others as well. With these silly little kawaii stuffs I create, I wish to bring joy and comfort to other people. If you have watched till the end of this video, let me tell you something. Sassy and Witty's sister don't have a name yet. If you guys want, you can choose their sister's name and let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!